Hi friends, come with me to Costco because I need to show you the newest arrivals for the month of March. I found sneakers for men, Easter goodies, huge bowls, and so much more. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. And so of course, let's start off today's video in the kitchenware section. Guys, I spotted these all-purpose bowls that are of a great size. I believe they're about 8 inches in diameter. They come in a total of 4 pieces, $12.99, a great price for the all-purpose bowls, especially because they're huge. So yes, they are perfect for ramen, pozole, salads, a variety of dishes. They're also microwave and dishwasher safe. My mom actually has the set of the bowls. I believe usually they bring out the ones with designs and with pretty colors on them. I haven't seen the white ones in a while, but I'm so glad to see them back at Costco. Here is another new arrival in the kitchenware section. These are the multi-purpose baskets, and from what I hear, these are actually a dupe. Costco has the multi-purpose baskets, a total of 3 pieces going for $14.99, and in each set you actually get 2 of the medium baskets and 1 of the large baskets. These are made out of stoneware. Costco has them in white and also teal blue, which is very pretty. You can use these to help you organize your berries in the fridge, serve your snacks, or even adding like small toiletries in here. Now, we've definitely seen something like this before at Costco, but it was for ladies. And yes, it was the Puma ladies court shoe. Now they brought them out for men, and I love the little green detail on the back that they added. These are going for $31.99. I will say Costco has a whole and half sizes for them, but they only brought them out in this color. Let me show you guys here the back, which is my favorite part. See, it has a very pretty shade of green with a little bit of gold on there. Costco also brought back this Banana Republic Classic Crew t-shirts. This is a 3-pack, by the way, going for $15.99. And guys, I just realized these have great reviews. People say, you know, in terms of material, it's very soft and it's a good product to have in your closet because you can pair these tees with just about anything, really. If you want to put like a blazer on top, you can. If you want to use this for the office or just for casual everyday wear, it's a crew neck and they are semi-fitted. And if you're looking for something to help you keep your beverages cold, check out this insulated beverage tote I spotted at Costco. It comes in 3 colors, by the way. I found it going for $24.99. It does come with 2 removable dividers too, so that way you can keep your bottles upright and prevent them from clanking together. For example, it comes with the ice wall pack, and that one slides into a dedicated pocket to, of course, enhance the cooling performance. This one comes in 3 colors. Costco has it in beige, navy blue, and also gray. I know a lot of parents really seem to like this folding wagon by Max Sports, and I actually noticed they changed a couple of the features this time around. $89.99. It comes with brakes. It's got an adjustable handle, a 350-pound weight capacity, and guys, they have it on display at this Costco. So of course, I'm going to show it to you. It's still got the steel frame. It's very easy to fold because it's collapsible, obviously. And here is one feature that I don't think I've noticed from the wagon from last year. So it actually, the rear of the wagon unzips, so that allows you to carry longer items like beach umbrellas or chairs that normally wouldn't fit. Look at how spacious it is. If you have kids, this would be super handy. I have a baby right now, and we're definitely into celebrating the milestones each month. Check out this jumbo helium kit. I would love to use this for my little one. Found it at Costco going for $49.99. And let me show you guys here what the bundle includes. So it does come with a helium tank that is a 14.9 cubic feet. You also have the high flow included, which is pretty much like a liquid sealant, and you put that inside the latex balloon. It's supposed to extend like the flow time to 24 hours compared to the standard 5 to 7 hours. And yes, it comes with the latex balloons. You get 50 of those. They're 9-inch latex balloons, and you also get the spool of white ribbons. So if you're into like DIY decorating at your own party events, this would be an awesome purchase. And if you're looking for an Easter gift to just grab and go, check out these Easter baskets I found at Costco. They're Lego baskets, by the way. This one right here has Minecraft, and you can see it's loaded with candy. Things like M&Ms, Nerds, Kit Kat, Lifesavers. I also spotted the Peeps. This one right here is Super Mario Lego. And I believe I also spotted Creator, like I think it's called Creator Bunny. This one right here is also the same one I showed you earlier, Super Mario, but these are going for $44.99. Has anyone seen these at their local Costco? These are by Annie's. It's Bunny Graham's Neapolitan. They have vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. I love this brand. This one claims to have no artificial colors, no high fructose corn syrup. $9.99 for these Bunny Grahams. 25 ounces. Let me know if anyone's tried them. Serving size, it says here, of 31 cookies, so you get a good amount. 130 calories. It has around 7 grams of sugar, and here's also a list of the ingredients. And honestly, guys, I'm still looking for the Chalk XO almond butter cups. Those have been my favorite out of all the different Chalk XO flavors I've tried. But these are ones I haven't seen before. They're Dubai-inspired pistachio cups, going for $12.99 for the bag. Let me know. Should we give these a try? One cup is only 80 calories. Another thing I love about this brand. Very calorie friendly. Here's a list of the ingredients. This looks really good too. It's Dubai style chocolate brownie. It's made with real chocolate and pistachio, and you actually get 10 brownies per each box. And the brownies are of around 3 ounces each. $15.99 is the current price. Now, of course, I can already tell these are definitely not calorie friendly, but here are the nutrition facts. One Dubai brownie is around 390 calories, and this one has around 30 grams of sugar. I also came across the Barbecue Daddy by Scrub Daddy. This is a steam cleaning grill scrubber, and it's a value pack. I noticed the Costco version comes with the main unit and 2 of the replacement scrubbing heads. This one's going for $26.99 at the moment, and it's got great reviews. People were saying that it's very effective at removing chard buildup on hot grates with minimal effort. So the way it works, you basically have to saturate the head in cold water, and then you apply it to a hot grill to generate steam that melts away grease. So it seems like it's very easy to use and very effective too. Now, I also spotted a couple of fancy items for our furry friends. Of course, they're not necessary, but they sure would be nice to have. This is a self-cleaning litter box. Great if you have multiple cats. Going for $389.99. I'm not sure what the original price of this item is, actually. So not too sure how much that compares, but I'm pretty sure Costco's got better value for it. And probably even a better price too. It says here you have to pretty much fill it with your cat's favorite litter. Then the app is going to actually notify you when it's time to change it. It comes with 2 of the Rolls waistband liners, 4 essential oil deodorizers, and they actually have it on display here at this Costco, and this is what it looks like. Now, I have 2 small dogs, and I know both of them would absolutely fight over this about who's king or queen on this little pet sofa, but it's so fancy. It's the leatherette pet sofa, extra large, $124.99. It actually comes in 2 colors. They have it in black or chocolate, and they have it on display here at this Costco, but you can see the cushion part's actually supposed to go on top of the sofa, and also it's supposed to fit like the extended part, but it's faux leather and it's also water resistant. And it's definitely that time of the year we're going to start seeing more sunscreen options at Costco. For now, I spotted the vacation one with SPF 50. And this right here is a 2-pack going for $19.99. I will say it goes on sale once in a while if I'm not mistaken. But here's a pretty good value. This one has water resistant for up to 80 minutes. It's lightweight and transparent on all skin. It's also even recommended for those who have sensitive skin as well. And here's also a couple of sales you don't want to miss. This is an 8-pack of the Flex Texture Scrubber at Costco. It's by Scrub Daddy. These have amazing reviews too. We've actually purchased them in the past. Very happy with them. They have 2 kinds of textures, by the way. But these are on sale right now with $3.50 off until March 1st, $12.49. Typically, they go for $16. So many different uses for them. Some people use them in the bathroom. We love using them in the kitchen. And so different like colors, you can even assign like each sponge for a different use, right? They are also dishwasher safe. Costco also has the Deer foams on sale right now. These have memory foam on the inside, so they're pretty comfy, good for indoors, outdoors. They have $3 off until March 1st. So typically these go for $12.99, and right now with the discount, the price comes down to pretty much $10. Costco has these in two colors. They have them in purple and they have a very pretty flowery design on them. And Costco also has them in cream. I know a lot of people here love these Unreal Dark Chocolate Coconut Minis. If you love coconut, you're really going to like these because the coconut is heavy on them. $2.50 off until March 5th. It's a great price. Look at that, $9.99 for 15.34 ounces. And these are also individually wrapped. So you can just throw them in your purse or whenever you want a little snack or you have like a chocolate craving. One bar is only 70 calories. A lot of people really like these also for the simple ingredients. The kitchen scale is also on sale right now. It's got a maximum capacity of 30 pounds, perfect for meal prepping. If you're into baking, you can make good use of the kitchen scale. $4 off until March 9th. This one went from $16.99 down to $12.99. You can do portion control. It's also got a tare function, which of course comes in handy. And it's also waterproof for up to like 30 minutes.